today we're at Blue Sky, and so today we're gonna go, cause there's 2 dams. So it means today we're gonna go to the second dam. So let's start. And also the water gun video is coming soon. It's on an instant premiere. So it means that must be coming up around 10. If you didn't watch it, I'll put a link. So yeah, here is like a driveway. And over here there's just this random section where, oh, I need to start the workout on my watch. It'll take me a little while. But there we go. Start the workout on my watch. So here is like a big area, like where people present stuff, and we have these seats with like paws on them. They're supposed to be in the seats. I tried wiping them away. And then, Daddy, can you go down there? And then you try to announce something good.
I don't think it echoes or anything like that, Parker.
What?
I don't think this auditorium echoes.
Oh yeah. Which means that this is where, see it? There's this stadium. There's some the poop on the floor. And then there's like a couple blocks for no reason. And look, these, cause I'm not sure what these are. There's like a compass that says N for north. And then over here it says north. They're all N's. I thought the one was the different directions in the compass. They're all N. It's like this is like a compass. It's only the north. It's only north. Let's take a thumbnail. There's a mask on the floor. And this is filmed January 10th of 2020. Of 2021. Oh, what is it? I think I'm up here. Daddy's gonna go, I'm going to the highway, to the end of the way. And yep, I'm using a new tripod. Also, I did got a new tripod for Christmas, which is, yeah. I was gonna use it for some of these YouTube videos, but I was gonna definitely bring this to some amusement parks. And here, we got a trail here. Which one do you think we should take this?
No, it's not a real trail. It's not on the trail.
Yeah. Bikers just make random trails that are not safe.
It could have been an animal.
What?
It could be deer or rabbit.
That making random trails that they may not lead to where that's safe. And also on top of that first dam, it was Poway Lake. On top. Yep, we do live in San Diego. Poop. There's blocks. And at the end, I was gonna stop my workout soon. And then when we get back there, I was gonna stop my workout, and then we can see how high blue sky is, if you don't know. So there's this map thing. So it means there's a mountain woodland.
Woodson.
And other stuff.
Parker, where are you going?
Oh, I thought that was a trail. Yep, we're gonna lead on to this section and we'll pause. That's not glass.
Where are you going?
Well, I don't see the dam. I'm not sure if we're going to see that dam.
It's a ways.
Yep. But when we get a little further, and going down here, and then when we we're almost down there, then we can get maps and stuff. After this, a man was at the beginning of this. And here we are. We're not going to go over there. That's another entrance. That's the exit. We're not going to go over there. That leads us to like the driveway. Or that's another entrance. So yeah. Here we are. Apple fly. So means we got these here. All these little manually things. There are some poop bags.
Yeah, we're going to Lake Ramona.
Yep, we're going to Lake Ramona. Yeah, this trail is adapted by Blue Sky Docklands. And no horses and no dogs are on this point. If you're going here. You have to watch out for some dog poop or something. Or some animal poop or like coyote poop. Because other animals are going down here. Look. See, we are not going that way because that's a dead end. That way is a dead end. So we're going to a quick trail, not the Oak Grove trail. my Apple Watch. So far. And we're going down the cave of the trees. It's like a cave of trees here, like at this point. Whoa. Oh, careful. Nothing interesting here, but it's like a cave of trees. We found, look on my, here, there's this like old gas pipe here, and also this old tank here. I'm not sure what this is for. Is it an electric panel?
I don't know. It looks like some type of panel.
No, some type of panel. No. Yeah, I went to blue sky before. And also, we bought the snacks and got a backpack full of stuff, so we have all the stuff. And also, I decided to put out my tripod for some. And another cave of trees. Oh. And also I'm wearing my hiking boots. Look right here. Some woodpeckers up there.
There's one right there. You see, Parker? There's one closer. See it right there?
There's one. And another little cave of trees. Oh, it's not that good. It's not a cave of trees. I thought it was. Yep, it's nice out here. Not too hot, not too cold. It's just like, and it's like winter time. It's not like quite, it's not spring yet. It's better to go hiking on the cold season instead of the hot seasons. And we see our sign soon. Nothing that exciting there. still didn't make a mile. It says common birds of the blue sky. It says Orton woodpecker, great horn owl, red-tick hawk, special tootle, California hole, crow, raven, and roner. And there's an ant. I'm not going to mess with that so it doesn't bite me. Because I got bitten by an ant while a fire drill once. And I don't want to get bitten again. Because like an ant clawed on me, then I felt like I got like an ant bite. I kind of feel like I got bit by an ant. Something. It didn't hurt that at all. There's signs. Here's just some plants. The bird.
Black and white markings.
And we're gonna do a time. I was gonna start a time lapse now, trying to find the gate.
Or you could walk like this, Parker.
Yep, we're the other way was Power Lake. So yep, we're gonna go. It's gonna take. We're gonna go about another quarter mile this way, then turn.
I don't think we've ever gone this way. We turn there.
Mm. Mm. Yeah. Take a thumbnail. Okay, we did. Taking photos. Can we take the water break? I'm getting thirsty.
Well, we find a spot.
Okay.
Sit down and stuff. See about that stump.
Okay.
No, it's not. All right.
So now I'm gonna show you what I have in my bag. First we had to observe which country. And next got my mask. For right now, I'm gonna wear my precious hat, which I brought on my last hike. And before I eat, I'm gonna have some hand sanitizer. It's like pineapple. It smells really good. Put some of that on my hand. And then I'm gonna have to stop my Apple Watch. On my watch, there's like a pause. We paused it, and then when you start walking, we can resume it. Next, I'm not sure what I'm gonna have. I have a lot of candy. I have some Sour Patch. I then brought watermelons. I'm gonna eat some of these original Skittles. I'm gonna eat some Skittles. I got this at Halloween. I don't taste stale. Got the Skittle. Is that Skittle? Oh my god, probably it went down there. Oh, I see it. I dropped it down here, and then a little tunnel went in, then it went into the hole.
Don't fall off the stump.
Where's my water? That's a water holder. Anyone who did that, thank you for making it here. Or any animal who did that. Now, I'm not going to go in here because there may be an animal living in there. Then maybe. I don't really can fit in. I don't have. Most of it is pretty much food.
But also that's a luxury.
I don't have anything that special.
They said they didn't, the lady asked for it to be cut down.
No, they said they didn't do that.
My
And two of them on the board.
extra Sour
During
Patch
the call, I didn't
watermelon.
look because I didn't want them to see. But Joe said the only person who was looking up in the gray eyes was
Yeah. But now I'm going to show you what I have. First, Jelly Rancher gummy sours. Okay. Next, some normal Sour Patch watermelons and raisins. And a Jolly Rancher lollipop. A bag of Skittles. And I got some Cheez-Its. And fruit snacks.
But also there's this like 5 feet
And another little Sour Patch watermelon. A candy cane. There's probably like 8 more, a couple more of those. More Skittles, but different flavor. Look. And my mask. I had Twizzlers, which inspired. I don't want anything dropping in that hole.
what?
And
So fast.
I got this ring for Halloween. And some hand sanitizer. all that stuff in. And one more thing, I'm gonna just eat this lollipop. Wow, on the trail. That one broke. I have more. Don't worry, I have a little more. I have more. Okay. This is the only one I have.
No, don't put it back in your bag.
Yep. I start hiking again.
You gonna drink some more water, or?
I'm gonna drink some more water. But then it's okay because there's a water seal. And can you? And start hiking. I'm trying to get down from the top. I'm gonna hike with eating. I'm gonna hike with eating a broken lollipop. That was about 6 minutes break.
And then we'll go on that side.
Up, I have to paused. I have to quickly start it. Alright, okay, resumed it. Okay. Now I should have eaten here.
Not sure if that's the sign that tells you how much further.
Yeah. There's a bee. Thought that was something else. Over here must take us to Ramona Lake. It's 1.2 miles away. Which means this trail will take 1.2 miles. We're just gonna go by the dam. Because this way, we're just gonna go by the lake or like by the dam section.
Up here you'll be able to see the dam.
And
Between the trees there, Parker?
yep, between the trees is that dam. So yep, when we start getting closer, I'm just gonna pause the video and I'll see you back in a bit. when we get closer to the dam. Yep. Over here is the Poway Dam, which is way wider than the Ramona Lake. Over here is Poway Lake. Yep. We'll just see you back all the way up there. Yep, it's the end of this video. And if you want to see the elevation, here it is. See ya. Bye.